splits, stuff like that.
Hey,
I get to be in splits.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, now I'm in splits.
Okay, so we're working on the garden today, moving the garlic. And I got the kids out playing on the electric bikes. So here we got Rosie right here. Whoa, you're going fast. We got Louie and Rosie having an e-bike race. Here we are, right there. And we're gonna go all the way to Dad.
No, Dad, no, Dad.
Just a second.
2, 1, go.
Oh, Rosie turned off. Where was she going?
I
I don't know if she doesn't know how to race. That was Rosie's first race, maybe.
Rosie, you meant to not go over there.
First one to the end of the blueberries and back.
Okay.
Ready? On your mark. Get set, go. Oh, Louie won. That was good, Lou.
This is the parable of the sower. Once there was a farmer's field next to a road. As the people passed by on the road, they hardly even noticed there was a sower who was sowing seeds in the field. When the sower threw the seeds in the air, the seeds landed in lots of different places. Some of the seeds landed on the edge of the road. These seeds were out in the open where there was lots of traffic. They were good seeds, but the seeds didn't even get a chance to start growing. Instead, the seeds were run over by the people passing by, and they were eaten up by the birds in the air. Some of the seeds landed in stony places. The soil wasn't very deep in these places, and the seeds started growing right away. But the roots didn't go very deep, and as soon as there was a hot day, the little plants were scorched, and they dried out and shriveled up in the sun. Some of the seeds landed in the thorns. This was a good spot for plants to grow, but they didn't have any room to grow. Instead, the thorns took over, and they kept all the new seeds from growing. Some other seeds landed in good soil. This spot was far away from the thorns and the birds and the traffic, and there weren't any rocks. When the seeds started to grow, the roots went deep into the earth. The plants were strong, and they all brought forth fruit. Jesus taught the meaning of the story. Our hearts are like the soil, and the seeds are the Word of God. The seeds that are received in the stony ground are the hearts that receive the Word of God with joy at first. The seeds start to grow in their hearts, but the roots don't go very deep. And when they are tested with hard trials, the seeds can't live anymore in their hearts. When someone hears the Word of God and they don't understand it, then the wicked one comes and takes it away. These are the ones who receive the seeds by the edge of the road. The seeds that are received in the thorns are the hearts that are taken over by worldly things and trust money to take care of them and to make them happy. These things have taken over the heart, and there's no room for the Word of God to grow. The seeds that are received in the good soil are the hearts that receive the Word of God and understand it. They make room in their hearts for the Word of God, and they keep trying to follow Him for a long time. Then the Word of God grows strong in their hearts, and the seeds start to bring forth fruit in their hearts.
All right, we completed it. We got all the garlic moved over from the pallet bed to regular beds with lots of help, many helping hands. So here we are. So
Backbend splits, stuff like that.
Yeah,
Hey,
in front-
I do this. I'll be in a backbend. I do this.
Okay.